Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll do something very interesting in craft. Okay, children, tell me which festival is approaching now? Yes, Christmas. We all love this festival, right? Because we all wait for Santa Claus and we decorate Christmas tree. We get gifts from Santa. Yes, we make snowman. So today we are going to do a Merry Christmas card. Okay, Merry Christmas greeting card. Christmas greeting card. Okay, children. So let's get started. Okay, let's see the materials. You will need one A4 size paper. Any color will do, but don't take green. Okay. Then you will need sketch pens. You will need decorative articles, some stickers, decorative. Okay, now one thing that is very important that we need is you will need triangles. Now this triangles you will take in different size, like you will take a small triangle, then little bigger, then little bigger, then little bigger. Okay, how much is the size that is fitting in the card. Okay, then you will need 5 to 6 maximum. Okay, don't cut out more. Okay, cut out more triangles. Okay, so you need triangles. You will need, I have taken here 5 triangles of different size, a small piece of rectangular brown color rectangular piece of paper. Okay, then you need scissor, Fevicol, then you need ruler, pencil, eraser. Okay, so now let's get started. How will we do it? First take the paper and fold it into half. Now when you fold it into half, okay, first see the size. This is here where we will be sticking the triangles. Okay, so see the size of the paper and accordingly cut the triangles. Okay, so I have folded the paper into half. Okay, now I have opened the paper. Okay, now I have got two sides. One is the left side and one is the right side. Okay, so first we will complete the inner part of the card. Okay, inside we will finish first. Okay, so now what are we going to do is, on the right hand side first you are going to write Merry Christmas. Okay, first write it down with a pencil and then over it you will write it with a colorful sketch pen, okay, of your choice. Now if you see on the left hand side, I have done small bells. Okay, I have done small bells. Okay, then I have decorated with star stickers you get. With that I have decorated on both the sides. Okay, now we have completed the inner part of the card. Now fold the card. Okay, now we'll take the outside part of the card. Now first what did I do? I did a border. Can you see? I have stuck the decorative diamond lines. Okay, diamond lines I have stuck all around the card on all the four sides. After that, take the brown piece of rectangle. Okay, that you will stick it here in the center on the lower part of the card. Okay, this is what you are going to do first. Now you will take the biggest triangle first. Okay, the biggest triangle you will take first and you will stick it on the center of the rectangle. Okay, you keep little part of the rectangle down and over the top you will, in the center you will stick the biggest triangle. Now take the next triangle. Okay, little smaller than the first triangle, that you will overlap and stick it next. Then take the third triangle, little now this third triangle is a little smaller. Okay, again overlap. Okay, keep on sticking. Okay, one upon another. Now take the fourth triangle. Now this fourth triangle is again little smaller. Okay, stick it over the third triangle. Okay, now take the last triangle, the smallest triangle, and stick it. So in all I have stuck 5 triangles. Now it is looking like a Christmas tree. Wow, nice. Okay, now next I have taken a star and I have stuck the star. Can you see here on the top of the Christmas tree? Always there is a star on the top of the Christmas tree, right? So now let us decorate the Christmas tree. Okay, see, I have here decorated the Christmas tree with different stickers and diamonds. Okay, now next what are we going to do? We will do the outline of that brown rectangle with the black sketch pen. Okay, now next I have done gifts. Near the Christmas tree we always keep gifts, right? See, can you see? I have done here 2 boxes of gifts. Okay, now next again I have decorated the full page with star stickers. Okay, see how beautiful it's looking. So now the Christmas card is ready. Okay, so children, enjoy making it. Thank you. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Sai Ram.